Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to add a splash screen with your Visual Basic Windows Form application. So what is a splash screen? It's a first window which appears, which tells you about the software version, copyrights or something about the logo, and I will show you, and then you will come to know what is a splash screen if you don't know already. So let's get started. I have a sample project which is a blank project created in Visual Basic, and for example I add some combo box and other buttons and checkbox list and other things, and this is the functionality of my form. Now I want to add a splash screen to this project. So what I need to do is I need to go to the project in Solution Explorer. So go to Solution Explorer and then select your project and right click it and go to add and click add new items, and in here we need to search for splash screen. Here it is. So this is a splash screen. Just select the splash screen and add it to your project. Once you click add button, the splash screen will be added to your project, and in here you can change the background image or you can change the title. For example, I will change the title here and I will name it as my cool project, for example. And now when I run the program, you will see, first of all, splash screen should appear. So how to add this splash screen to your project? Once again, just go to your project and right click it and go to the properties, and in here in the properties you will find a property called splash screen, which by default is none. You need to select splash screen 1, which is a splash screen which we have created, and you just need to do that, right? And now when you run the program, a splash screen will appear first which tells the project name and all, and now your project will come in front, right? So in this way you can change these tags and these background image. For example, I want to change the background image of my splash screen. I can just select my splash screen and go to background image, and I can select any image from the local resource. I will select import, and I can select any image from my local resource. So I selected image and I click OK, and you see the image is changed here. Or for example, I want to change the font color or fore color of this label. So I will make it white so we can see it, and I will just make it white this also. Okay, and now when I run the program, my customized splash screen appears and then my project appears. So this is the simple way you can create a splash screen with your Visual Basic project. There are advanced splash screen which I will show you in the later videos, but for now this is the basic format of splash screen which you can add to your Visual Basic. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.